We whisper like no one can hear us. Okay, so you can do 1, 2, or 3. Doesn't matter how many times you tap it on. The darker you want, the more it's like layers you want to put it on. But I did 3 or 4. Tap it again. You can see that I didn't even have to pick it back up on from the bottle. So 1 bottle of this go a long times, and you can done so many clients, so many set of nails, and it still really is last long for you. All right, so I am going to using a crystal clear, and you can start seeing it from really like shiny. It start getting dry, and it's vibrating, it's dry, and so now I can using that phone. So can you chop that? All right, that's colors, Foxy. I know, right? So crystal clear again. I'm gonna go into using is from the outside into inside, and like that. Tomorrow I will try to go live a little bit earlier. I'm expect to do maybe a 6 o'clock of the Central Standard Times, because I have a boot camp still online going on, so I'll do it earlier, and then Sarah will go live right after. So please stay tuned with us and tuning in for fun live videos. What you want to see tomorrow? We can do like Maya will mention she want to see some 3D acrylic. All right, so here is something for you, because I think it's great that it's happened to me. It looks fine, but I think I'm using a little bit of more of crystal clear than I expecting. So I'm gonna make sure my brush is gonna be gone, like most of my crystal clear is gonna be gone. Okay. So I use less crystal clears now. You can start seeing it's not bleeding on me, right? I'm so glad it happened, because it's happened to me. It's like sometime as well. And I don't mind at all, because then I can control it right away by white off my brush and start picking it like a less fusion ink of crystal clear. Like wipe off my brush. I don't know, I'm gonna show you right here, because you see that how I clean my brush. So clean it first before you place them back, and place it back into the crystal clear bottle, because you don't want it's kind of contaminating on that crystal clears when you're using other color. For instance, if you're using like pink or yellows, you don't want your yellows to be turning to different colors. So this one looks good with white tints. White it off. This is for anyone who has had only 1 color, 2 color of fusioning to play with. That is for you. I have so much fun to playing with 1 colors only. And if you want your to be lighter, work a little bit more with the crystal clear and get your look a little bit lighter. There you go, until you're happy with this. And then we're gonna put some stickers on it, some crystals. Great. Like even the vents, it looks good. You don't have to create anything, you can't. And then you see that how much I wipe it up here, so then that way when I place the brush back in, it will not contaminating the colors in there. You see that I did all different colors behind the scene here. Okay, so let's do some stickers. This is for any of you, again, if you're just tuning in, welcome. I just want to show you it's fun. What about this one, designs? Should I do this one? Should I do silver now? Silver or white? Let's do some silver. You think? Mm-hmm. Silver looks good. Do you want silver look? Ooh, this baby's background is so strong. Oh, I have a big, cute one. Look at that. Haha. Alright, so maybe do this. Big one. But before that, I'm gonna let her stay on the side for a minute. I am going to using super cute. Let me cut down. I'm gonna cut that. My Zacto knives. Yes, please. You can cut. I like the solids one, so I'm gonna try to cut this solids parts right there. Okay, so some tip and tricks, I have it all here. It's really cool Jackstone knives. The knife that you can get it from maybe Walmart, Target, and for a few dollars. It's really cool because sometimes I will share with you how to do color blocking with liquid gunpowder as well. And it's really handy. You can cut anything. With the nail art stuff, like especially stickers, you want one of this there. I might do this one Gucci right there. Oh my logo is not gonna fit in there, but maybe, don't know. Save it there. Really cool. And then we can place her right there. Yeah. I put my strips over there. Oh, I know what to do. Sorry, just be silly. And this one will glow in the dark. And if you like have a clients get it done and they get to go to clubs and places, they're gonna have so much fun with this because it's gonna glow. All right. Let's see, this one can. I am going to trim off this side. It's really cute. It's fun because the background of this so much going on. I'm gonna take that one away because it's gonna get in our background. And let's see what else we can do. And I want to using the white strips that I have. Can you grab me the white one and the black one? Thank you. And maybe smaller size will look so much better. All right, I just a little bit more meticulous with all different cool stunning design. Sorry. 20 seconds left. I will see you ladies right back, okay? We want to end that video. Facebook still here. Hello, if any one of you watching. We're waiting for Instagram to come right back, but I still want to show you all. Let's see what we having there. Maybe the heart. Great. And make sure you get this tweezers, lock, close the tips of it. So you want to poke this out and then you don't drop it accidentally. Is excuse me, is will ruin your tweezers. That's what we want to really sharp looks for, to pick up all that stickers and anything that you can use. All right, so now we are gonna do is condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. So this will help to hold all the charm chains and crystal in one place. Hi ladies, hello everyone. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Today's gonna have a little bit longer live tutorial as usual always. It's great about today's is the tutorials for all of you who just have fusionings and stickers, crystal placement. If you haven't got any chance before and you would like to watching some of the episode on chat before, you can always watch it on our IGTV. But if you haven't seen the some